Hi there, guys. Welcome to your, I guess, second C programming tutorial. For kids, by kids. This one, I'm gonna be doing getting user input. So it's basically when someone types in a number, or letter, not multiple, then the computer is just gonna print it right back at them. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is the pound or number sign, and as usual with every single program, you want to type in include stdio.h. Then you type in int main. You could put void inside of this, or you can take out void. It doesn't matter. I like keeping it out. Put two curly braces and just go down. Not that many times, maybe that. Then you want to type in printf. As I explained in the Hello World program, printf, this print sign means like you're going to print something. Instead of printing it on a paper, it prints it onto the screen. And then f is for function. So print function onto the screen, basically. And this is going to say, hello, please, please enter to or a number. Now I'll put a semicolon. But so we did this printf statement. Now go before that in this regular, this one curly brace. Press enter once more. Here you're gonna store an integer. You can make it say whatever you want it to say, but I'm gonna leave it to main right now, and put this semicolon afterwards. Now that it says please enter a number, you want the person, the user, to be able to type in a number. So you're gonna type in scanf. So basically, it's gonna let them type in a number, and then this is gonna scan the function that they typed in, and then watch. I'm gonna put in. So this is an I for integer. We're gonna put %I. And then after the quote, as you can see, it's after the quote, put a comma, space, and then type in, put the ampersand or the and symbol, whatever you want to call it. You gotta put that, and then type in the integer that's stored into the program. This one, in that case, is called main. And then put a semicolon. And then now, this will let the person type it in, and then it's going to scan it, but it won't do anything. So we wanted to scan the program, scan what they said, and then print another function onto the screen, and make it say, you said, let me change this. Please enter your age. You said your age. You said you are. Now, whatever number they typed in, you said you are. We're gonna do %I space years. Years old. You said you are, and then the %I is this main. So whatever they typed in the main, now whatever they typed in, it's going to be stored into main right here. And then, so once it's stored there, then you want it to print back. You said you are, so example, if I type in 11, which is what I am, if I type in 11, it's going to be stored into main, and then now I'm telling it to print back out, so it's going to print back out 11. So then after the quote, put a comma and put a space, but this time you don't put the ampersand, you leave it. So for print functions, you don't put the ampersand as you do in scanf. Scanf you have to. So this one we're just gonna type in main. Once you've done that, put a semicolon on the after that. Go down once more. Get character, as I explained in the Hello World one. Get character. To put two regular brackets, semicolon, and go down and press in return space 0 and put another semicolon. And let me just go over this program one more time. Okay, so you know all this. Int main. So it's storing an integer into the program. And that integer name is main. You can name it whatever you want, but then all these, this, and this has to be the same. So it's storing an integer called main into the whole program. And then it's gonna print the function out onto the screen saying, please enter your age. And then it's gonna let the person type whatever they want to type, basically their age. And then it's gonna scan the function that they typed with the percent, this integer. It's gonna scan it, and then basically it's gonna store it into main. And then it's gonna printf. So once it's stored into main, it won't come out until you change the number that you want. Like when you type in your age, until you change that. So you're gonna do this. Once it's stored into here, it won't be able to come back out. Then you're gonna print the function. You said you are %i. So now that it's stored, it's gonna be inside here. %i years old. Put a comma afterwards, and then put main without the ampersand as you did in the scanf statement, and put a semicolon. And get ch is for get character, so the computer is gonna look for a character. When someone presses it, it's all of a sudden gonna close the program. And then return 0. That's how you close the program. I actually don't know what that means. So with this, let me just copy this so I can put it onto our website. And yeah, put it onto our website. Make sure it's copied properly. Okay, so I don't know what that's doing, but we're gonna save this, and you always save it with a .c at the end. So I save mine and compile and run. Please enter your age. My age is 11. It says you said you are 11 years old. Press enter. You said you are 11 years old. I'll put in press any character to close. Now let's compile and run. Say for example my age is 21. Press enter says you said you were this person any character to close. And boom. And my partner's age is 12. It says you said you were 12 years old. Press any character to close. So this is getting user input in C programming. And see you guys next time.